everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a beautiful tabletop decor this Christmas with things you probably already have at home and just a couple of things that I bought at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I'll be using this old plate. I'm planning to paint it with some red acrylic paint that I already have, and I'll be adding some glitter to the rim. I bought this really pretty vase and candle at the Dollar Tree, both for $1.25. Here's an old Glade candle, and I'll be painting this for a floral arrangement. These are some picks that I've already had for a long time already, and I'll be using them for the floral arrangement. Not sure where I got these cute snowflakes from, but again, you can use your old Christmas decor, and at the Dollar Tree they have all these types of Christmas decor that you can use. For this project, I'm going to paint my old plate with my red acrylic paint that I already have. This isn't going to be perfect. One thing I would like to mention is that I found that acrylic paint was not the best thing to use for this. I would recommend using spray paint if you have, and if not, again, you can use whatever you have, or you can get those 13-inch plates at the Dollar Tree. I've seen a gold one that looks so pretty for a Christmas tabletop decor. Alright friends, so I finished painting the front part of the plate, and now I'll be painting the back. I'm almost finished painting the back of the plate already, and just so you know, it did take a while for the paint to dry. So again, if you have spray paint, that would be a much better option for this. I'm going to add some of my gold glitter to the rim, and I'll be using some Mod Podge for this. You can also just use some Elmer's glue. I'm so excited for Christmas. I've already decorated my whole house with all my Christmas decor, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet. But this is going to look so pretty on my table. I just feel that the holidays really fly by so quick, so that's why I decided to put up my Christmas tree and Christmas decor in my house already. I'm trying to be careful with this glitter because it really is very messy and it's hard to clean up. But look at this. Isn't that so festive? I love how this came out. Okay friends, so I have this old Glade candle jar, and I'm going to use this for my floral arrangement. I'll be using my green acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint the inside of it and the rim. Again, acrylic paint is not the best thing for this. I painted it and found that when I was putting in my picks, it would scratch the paint off. So if you have some spray paint, that would be a better option for this. Or if you already have a cute festive vase or one of those little wooden crates from the Dollar Tree, I think that would be better. I'm not really looking for perfection, but more than anything, just a cute tabletop decor that will do with the things that I already have. I think this little jar looks really pretty. So now I'm just going to let it dry. Here's my little jar, and I think it looks so cute and with the gold glitter on the rim. Okay friends, now that I've finished painting my plate and candle jar, I'm finally getting to the fun part of this project. I'm going to put it all together for my table. I'm going to use a piece of green foam to put in my Christmas picks so that they stay in place. I'm just going to put in the Christmas picks on the green foam, and I'm going to try to put them in the center as much as I can. There's my little floral arrangement, and now I'm going to place my candle on the plate. So far, I really like the way this is looking, and now I'm going to be putting my gold snowflakes and my pine cones. These pine cones here are pretty old. Most of them belong to my mother-in-law. I'm not sure where she got them, but I honestly think she might have found them and spray painted them gold visiting my sister-in-law in Hot Springs, Arkansas. There are so many beautiful pine trees there, and for as long as I've known my husband, these pine cones have always existed, but I've always really liked them. I also could be wrong. Maybe she did buy them, but I'm not really sure. I've never asked her. And there are a couple of pine cones in here that I picked up visiting my sister-in-law at a park, so I didn't need to go and buy any for this arrangement. I really like the way this looks. I just wish I hadn't used acrylic paint for this. And well, I'm just going to kind of fix the pine cones so they stay a certain way. And I'm going to add this joy ornament in the middle. And there it is. The only thing I forgot to show was that in my floral arrangement, I had put in a green sheet of tissue paper just so the green foam wouldn't show. But other than that, my Christmas table decor is ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this would inspire you to make your own creation. Thank you so much, and if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.